up, travel fam? Welcome back to Traveling with Tashan. Today we are checking out Mumbai's newest mall, the Sky City Mall in Borivali East. This place is brand new, and while it's not fully operational yet, we are here to give you a sneak peek at what's coming. What makes City Mall exciting isn't just what's inside, it's also the location. With a direct metro access and its spot along the Western Express Highway, this mall is going to be a prime destination for Mumbaikars in no time. The mall also has the direct access from the metro station, so it makes much more convenient for one to visit. First things first, the design of this mall is impressive. It's got this ultra modern feel with open spaces, skylights, and a premium touch. Even though many stores aren't open yet, you can tell this place is going to be a shopping hotspot. As you can see, a lot of brands are still setting up, but once they do, this mall is going to be a game changer for Borivali. One thing that is fully operational is the Inox multiplex. If you're a movie buff, you can already enjoy a premium cinematic experience here. It's got 10 screens with top-notch audio and visuals. Definitely a highlight of the mall so far. A handful of stores have already started operations, including some popular names. But in coming months, expect a full lineup of high-end fashion, electronics, and lifestyle brands. It's kinda exciting to see a mall in its early days. In just a few months, this whole place is going to look completely different. Now that if you're planning to grab a bite here, just know that the food scene isn't fully ready yet. Right now there are just a couple of outlets serving snacks and coffee, but big brands and restaurants are expected to open soon. Not too many options yet, but at least you can fuel up while exploring the mall. The mall is so beautiful and the architecture is truly amazing. Now the $1,000,000 question. Is the Sky City Mall worth visiting right now? Well, if you're in the area, you can check it out. But if you're looking for the full experience, you might want to wait a little longer. We'll definitely be back once more stores and eateries open up. So stay tuned for that update. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Traveling with Tashan for more travel and lifestyle content. We'll see you in the next adventure. Until next time.